this is the right way, and actually showing you without just skipping the step on how to remove the lower bolt on the EGR valve on a 05 Ford 500. So with the 1/116th, get underneath it and turn it clockwise to break it loose. We just want to break it loose on this side. All right, here we go. I got it. Gonna hang on to it. All right, I'll put my hand here to keep this below here. And there we go. Looks like it broke, right? One, two. There you go.
Son of a.
Yep. That's all it took. And it's broke.
It's broke. Did you watch this?
Now that's showing you how to do it, not skipping the step and telling you it's off. That's how you get it off. No matter how hard that is rusted on there, with a 1/116 or 27mm. Thumbs up if this has been helpful to you. Out come the EGR.